Click on the link below to get price. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F II Dual Floorstanding Speaker Pair is a remarkable addition to any audio enthusiast setup. Right out of the box, the aesthetic appeal of these speakers is striking, with a contemporary design that combines a sleek black veneer finish and copper accents. They command attention, making them a perfect fit for modern home theaters or living rooms. The sound quality delivered by the RP-8000F II is nothing short of extraordinary. Featuring Klipsch's signature Tractrix horn technology, these speakers provide an expansive soundstage with crisp highs and powerful lows. The dual 8-inch woofers effectively reproduce deep bass, making it ideal for everything from music to cinematic experiences. Whether it's the subtle details in a classical piece or the explosive action sequences of a blockbuster film, these speakers handle it all with impressive clarity and precision. One of the standout features of the RP-8000F II is its versatility. These floor-standing speakers can easily be integrated into a home theater system or used as standalone units for a high-fidelity music experience. The dynamic range is exceptional, ensuring that every note is delivered with the right intensity and impact. The speakers also have a commendable sensitivity rating, which means they can produce a powerful sound even with moderate amplifier power. Setting up the RP-8000F II is straightforward, thanks to the well-designed terminals that accommodate a variety of connections. The speakers are also relatively lightweight, making them easier to position than many competitors in the same category. However, for optimal performance, placing them at least a few feet away from walls is recommended to allow the bass to breathe. Overall, the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F II Dual Floorstanding Speaker Pair impresses with its exceptional sound quality, stylish design, and versatile performance. For both audiophiles and casual listeners, these speakers offer a captivating audio experience that is hard to rival at this price point.